Here we are at the Southern Missouri Off-Road. What are you looking at? Here we're at the Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch, and it is a blast. A lot of fun. SMORR, or Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch, is 940 acres of off-road fun near Seymour, Missouri. SMORR has something for everyone, from beginners like us to the people with extreme goals. There's also camping, tent camping, generator camping, RV full hookups, and even cabins to rent. Since overlanding is our thing, we decided to do a primitive campsite. Even though we are primarily into overlanding, this off-road park was amazing. It allowed us to test our ability and kind of see the limits of what we're able to do in our Jeep.
Okay, we came down a trail that's rated a 3, and they go up to 5, so that's kind of like mid-range difficult. Oh, we think they go to 6. So we just came down that hill. Now we're at this bottom of the ravine, and now this is the hill we were going up, and it is a lot steeper than what the video looks like.
As I said before, this off-road park has something for everyone. There are even 2 Jeep Badge of Honor trails. Even though we decided not to conquer the biggest hills, we were able to check out some of the amazing extreme builds and awesome vehicles that were at the park. After a full day of play, there was plenty of time to enjoy the campsite and a great dinner. At the park, we met some new people and made some new friends. And our new friends showed us how to really off-road. Watching our friends gave us the courage to try some new stuff, but nothing too crazy. Watching others tackle the obstacles really helped us learn a lot, and we were able to follow some great people around. Our new friend Steve's Jeep was an amazing setup. What really impressed me was that it was a 4-cylinder turbo, and it was able to conquer all of the obstacles. For Steve, going up wasn't the problem, it was coming down. If no one knows, when your Jeep gas tank, I think especially on the JL, is below a quarter of a tank, don't try these obstacles. His fuel pump shut off and immediately went into park, and we had to put gas in the tank to get it to go. Self-park, so he's going to have to put a little fuel in order to get it to start up, just so he can get it out of park and get down the rest of the way. But, we should be going here pretty soon. There goes the bumper. It wasn't long and we were on our way. It definitely was a pleasure watching our friends tackle all of these obstacles. This park truly is beautiful and a lot of fun. Good thing you did too. Great trails, great people, and an amazing off-road park. The Southern Missouri Off-Road Ranch is definitely a stop that you need to make. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and please like and subscribe. We have plenty more trips planned. Until next time, be safe and God bless.